We will show you how to free up space on iPhone or iPad without deleting apps, thereby improving the overall performance of your device. Way 1. Clear cache to free up space on iPhone, iPad. Go to your iPad Settings app. Scroll down to select Safari, scroll down again, and select the Clear History and Website Data option. Confirm clearing the Safari cache by tapping the Clear History and Data option. Way 2. Change the picture format in the camera. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Camera. Select the Format option. In the menu that opens, select Efficiency. Way 3. Reduce video resolution. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Camera. Go to the Record Video menu to see how much space each resolution takes on your iPhone. For example, you don't need 4000 at 60 fps. You can change to 1080p at 60 fps or 4000 at 30 fps. Way 4. Reinstall apps to clear storage on iPhone. Do you know, every app you install on your iPhone takes up some space on your device and generates junk files and useless data. You can go to Settings General, Usage Manage Storage to see which apps are consuming space on your iPhone. Way 5. Disable Photo Stream. To do this, just tap on Settings, Photos and Cameras. Toggle off My Photo Stream on the iPhone to free more space. Way 6. Save HDR photos only. You can go to Settings, Photos and Camera, turning off the Keep Normal Photos. Switch to keep only HDR images, so as to free up space on iPhone without deleting anything. Way 7. Backup iPhone data to iTunes, iCloud, or computer. If you are used to using a computer as a storage location, then Mobikin Assistant for iOS can back up iPhone or iPad data, including contacts, messages, notes, calendars, music, videos, photos, and more, to PC or Mac with one click. Way 8. Clean up junk files with iOS Cleaner. Tired of manually deleting junk files and cache data from your iPhone or iPad? Why not resort to this all-in-one Mobikin Cleaner for iOS software? This software cleans up all junk files, temp files, app crash files, log files, cookies, unused apps, etc. Step 1. Install and launch Cleaner for iOS. Step 2. Scan for the junk files. Step 3. Start to clear storage on iPhone without deleting anything.